Fundraising. You have a charitable idea in mind, or you feel that your video can help a cause. Maybe you are making videos for Project for Awesome, or you want to raise awareness for mental health. Did you know that you can add a fundraiser to your videos to an external source that can help you raise funds for them and help other people? I'm here to show you how you can do that today. In this example, I'm going to use this video where I'm talking about folding for COVID-19, and I'm going to add a fundraiser to it. So this is the video that I want a fundraiser placed against. So I go to the video, click edit. You will see the normal video editing page. This can also be done via your dashboard, you know, where you go to YouTube Studio dashboard and click the little pencil and you scroll down, you keep going past your tags. You'll see right down at the bottom, giving, add a fundraiser to your video. Click add fundraiser and you can either join existing ones. So for example, if you're giving to an established charity, whether it's Mind for Mental Health or whether it's Cancer Research UK, then you'd click a joined fundraiser, or you can start your own non-profit. So if you're doing a specific thing for maybe a local charity. Now in this case, I'm going to do the COVID relief fund type thing. So I'm going to click join a fundraiser. You get a choice here, support the cause that you care about. Use the power of your videos and a community to raise money for important causes through registered non-profits. 100% of the money you raise will go to a non-profit you select. YouTube covers all the fees. So I click get started. It will now give me a choice. I can scroll through. These are ones that are already set up. So you've got like WWF. Up here you had the fundraising for kids with diabetes. You have the COVID relief fund. So we're going to use the COVID relief fund in this case. So I'm going to click COVID relief and click continue. It will tell you here that you've selected COVID-19 Relief Fund. You can change it if you so wish. Make a difference by donating. Created by Recording Academy Studio Grammy people. You've got the little icon here. It says add further details. And this is where you can describe the fundraiser and you can give a little thank you for the donors. Now these are required and these are messages that are given to the people when they click donate. Now I've explained what it is and I've given a little thank you and I click join. And now it says this video is now part of a fundraiser down at the bottom. And now if I load the video, you'll now see that on the right hand side it's added the donation. So it says donate here. It tells you what it's about, COVID Relief Fund. It says the little message that I've put in to explain it. It explains who set it up, where the donations go. It takes up a good chunk of the right hand side. It also marks it as a fundraiser underneath the video itself, and people can click donate, choose an amount, click continue, enter your card details, donate, and you are done. Now normally at the end of these videos I'll throw you off to one of my YouTube videos, and no doubt there'll be a video here that's auto-selected as the best of, but I strongly urge you to go check out this playlist. It's Project for Awesome by the Vlog Brothers, of all of the charitable videos that people have put out there for very important causes to themselves. Today's a charitable moment, so go and learn what other people struggle with and how you can help them.